As a gay Igbo man who is juicy, glowy, moisturized, hydrated, and unbothered, I woke up this morning. I did what I do always, take care of myself, drank some warm water with lemon, got myself some collagen, some multivitamins. I went to the gym, but I did not take you to the gym because this juicy, hydrated, moisturized homosexual from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State wants some privacy, so I decided not to take anybody with me. I went there alone, came back, got ready. I then drove out with my man. My man was driving. We went to this designer consignment store where they sell all the good things. My goodness, I saw this Chanel bag, vintage, super cool that I like. I looked at all the Chanel bags that they have. I got a scarf in this shop not long ago, looked at the Chanel, said okay, I'm going to come back when I'm ready. Yes, we headed out to this nice supermarket that I normally go to where they sell all the organic stuff. Got myself some cantuccini, some lemonade. I saw the woman that we normally see that stands in front of the shop. I always call her my man's wife. So I gave her something, then got in the car, and then we drove back. This Igbo homosexual from Njikoka local government area of Anambra State is going to always do the things. Have a wonderful time.